Today we're testing the venue coordinator on emergency wedding day preparedness. Hey Amber,
Hey Jess.
do you have a safety pin?
Sure. Do you need giant, medium, gold, silver, straight pin, safety pin?
All right, do you have scissors?
We got these accessible here, but do you need floral scissors?
Okay, do you have a sewing kit?
Do you need me to sew a button? All of my coordinators are trained in button sewing.
Yes, because I have no idea how to sew. Okay, what about cufflinks?
Here, we've got a vest, ties, just in case, shoelaces, bow ties. I have black and kind of this maroon color. But you asked for cufflinks, suspenders, buttons, what you need.
What about super glue?
Oh, super glue, hot glue, Elmer's glue, stick glue.
Hey, what about Band-Aids?
Are you testing me or something? Why are you asking for all of this emergency kit stuff? I got Band-Aids, I've got Tums, I've got, of course, like a full first aid kit.
All right, well, I'm definitely going to get you on this one. Do you have a flag?
Which flag you need? America or Texas or both?
Okay, I think you got it.
You know what? This is not a DIY wedding venue that you just walk into a big empty space. This is a full service wedding venue. Anything you need, we've got it. If we don't have it, we're sending somebody to the store to grab it.